Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So yes, it is definitely true. I want to kick things up even more, but to be able to provide more content to you guys that are, I guess to say, more relatable as far as BMWs go. So we're going to keep this video really short and sweet, and I definitely need your opinions down in the comment section below. Wait to hear what car I'm thinking about, so that way I can get your feedback down in the comment section below. Thanks. Let's go ahead and get it started. Talk about today, and not to say that anything's wrong or per se, I just want to be able to provide more content to you guys, or I guess to say more content to the viewers that are most likely checking out my channel. Now, if you remember, so I bought my 2016 BMW M5 September 1st. So September 1st will be a year from now. Of course, I also own a 2008 BMW 335i that I've had a little over 8 years now, so quite a bit of time. Obviously, it's what built the channel here today. Never going to get rid of the 335i just because I've had it for so long, no sense of it, and you know, it's still good. So I'm thinking about selling the M5 and picking up a G20 M340i, so that way I can provide you guys with B58 content in general. Obviously the M340i gets the next version of the B58, so B58 TU, and everything that comes with it. So just all the normal maintenance and DIYs and modifications and all that kind of stuff. I would do the same thing on the M340i as I did for my 335i, just trying to keep it, I guess, quote unquote 3 series kind of segment, I guess to say. What do you guys think? What's your thoughts? Not to say that I don't like the M5, love it to death, and you know, it is a great car. Of course, I take all 3 of my kids with me in it, so if you've seen some of my other kind of Instagram stories and stuff like that, then I'm always out driving it and doing stuff like that. So just doing a lot of maintenance on it as we speak right now, obviously with the quick jack. That's been going good, and I have to do the oil change here today and a few other modifications to it. So that's what I'm currently thinking about at the moment. Tons of videos here on the M5, of course, you know, on the channel. And the car ownership has been great, right? It has not given me any problems whatsoever. It's a fun, enjoyable car, of course, with even more the added power, like the mods that I have on it. I was thinking about doing like an F30 340i, which obviously is another good pick to have with the 335i here on the channel. So I guess to say, if you guys think about that, let me know down in the comment section below. What do you think? F30 340i or G20 M340i? Let me know. I'm definitely going to be moving forward with the change here actually fairly quickly, to say the least, and we'll get everything rock and rolling. All right. Thanks again. Let me know, and I will chat with you guys on the next video.